Scon Design India Pvt Ltd is a leading BIM company in Mumbai, specializing in providing innovative and efficient building information modeling (BIM) solutions. With a team of highly skilled professionals and a strong focus on customer satisfaction, Scon Design India Pvt Ltd has established itself as a trusted partner for architects, engineers, contractors, and construction firms. As a BIM company in Mumbai, Scon Design India Pvt Ltd offers a wide range of services including BIM modeling, clash detection, 3D visualization, quantity takeoff, BIM coordination, and construction documentation. By implementing BIM technology, the company helps clients streamline their design and construction processes, reduce errors and rework, improve collaboration and communication, and ultimately deliver projects on time and within budget. Their deep understanding of BIM standards and best practices enables them to deliver high-quality services that meet the specific needs of each client. In addition to its technical expertise, Scon Design India Pvt Ltd is committed to staying up to date with the latest developments in BIM technology. The company invests in continuous training and professional development to ensure that its team remains at the forefront of the industry. This dedication to excellence has earned Scon Design India Pvt Ltd a reputation as a reliable and trusted partner for BIM services in Mumbai. In conclusion, Scon Design India Pvt Ltd is a leading BIM company in Mumbai that offers comprehensive BIM solutions for the construction industry. With its expertise, experience, and commitment to excellence, the company helps clients optimize their design and construction processes, improve collaboration, and deliver successful projects. Whether it's BIM modeling, clash detection, or construction documentation, Scon Design India Pvt Ltd has the capabilities to meet the unique needs of each client. Scon Design India Pvt Ltd is a leading BIM company in Mumbai, specializing in providing innovative building information modeling (BIM) solutions. With a team of highly skilled professionals, Scon Design India Pvt Ltd has established itself as a trusted name in the industry, delivering high-quality services to clients across various sectors. As a BIM company in Mumbai, Scon Design India Pvt Ltd understands the importance of utilizing advanced technology to streamline the construction process. By implementing BIM, they enable their clients to efficiently manage and collaborate on projects, resulting in improved productivity and cost-effectiveness. Their expertise lies in creating accurate 3D models that incorporate all relevant information, including architectural, structural, and MEP, mechanical, electrical, and plumbing, details.